on?
Yeah, it's on. Now it is on Sita mode.
Okay.
Sita is EV.
Okay. So full on EV, how long does it do, sir?
Hardly, sir. 9, 10 kilometers.
9-10 kilometers. At the speed of
It will go up to 130.
130.
Yeah, but it is basically a support more for performance. I'm sure.
This is
this lane change is on, so we'll turn that off.
okay.
By default, every time it will be on.
Okay.
Even these are the driving modes.
Okay.
These are indicators.
Okay.
Left and right. And this is for height adjustment.
Nose lift. Oh, it was raised until
It was
now.
raised actually.
Oh boy. When it is raised, how much is the ground clearance?
It will be around 135. Yeah.
135 is very good for this car.
And Strada is plug-in mode, wherein it will have both hybrid and engine based on power requirement.
Got it. Wow. So it's open here?
Yeah.
Wow, wow, wow. Saira.
Handbrake? Yeah, it's done.
So this is manual, huh?
Yes.
It's lifted now?
Yeah, it is lifted.
So it won't hurt anything, no?
It is lifted, sir. Yeah.
Ammo, now I am scared.
Yeah, now we have to take it across. Yeah. As Marila up and down.
The visibility is great, sir. Because of the seating position, the confidence that we have once we get into the car is brilliant. So once let us put it in EV.
Yeah, once you can.
So this is a silent Lambo.
Yeah.
Cool.
Only power on demand.
So this is not similar to any of the Audis or any of the other cars,
Nothing,
right?
sir,
Unlike
nothing
before.
Nothing is close to this car now.
Yeah. Before Huracan was almost like Audi.
Yes, RS.
RS.
R8,
R8, yeah.
R8 V10.
So this is also, everything is new.
Everything is new.
So this is the EV Lambo.
Yes. Chinna battery packs are just there to support ante.
Okay. So in order to change it, what should we do? Just that or anything else?
Just that. So దీనిలో కూడా this is cylinder on demand. Not all 8 cylinders will fire up.
Okay. Sir, what do you think about the sound?
It is good, sir, but it's a good exhaust, like
Acropo car.
Yeah.
Let's compare it with the older generation Huracan. I'll leave the sound here. Compared to that V10 roar, we'll push this. You guys let me know which sounds better. The suspension is very nice.
Soft?
It's much softer than Huracan, I feel.
Yes. You have two settings for suspension also.
Okay.
You can make it more stiffer, but this is soft.
Steering feels so nice. It's the correct size. Damn.
You can lift it up. Yeah. Just a button.
Oh, this one.
It is very fast.
Oh, okay. Only nose lifts, right?
Yes, only the nose lifts. And if you push that button, then it will change the damping of the suspension between hard and soft.
Okay.
Same button.
So in Strada, it is EV and
Yes.
So suddenly it is going into EV mode and then it is coming back.
Based on the speed requirement and the power requirement, based on your drive.
Okay. What's the mileage on this, sir?
Not sure. Based on the driving, yeah. I
Doesn't have fast tag.
It doesn't have.
Okay.
Except Hyderabad, there is no place if you touch highway.
Okay.
So ORR, but
Damn, this engine revving up to 10,000 feels like I'm close to God. That's a crazy feeling. 10,000 RPM. The steering is so sharp. The front end is so responsive. You can put the car exactly wherever you want.
Too good. Very nice. Nothing like I've ever driven. This BMW guy is getting excited. It's a M4 CS, right?
yeah. Just wants to have a closer look at the car.
Maybe.
He's not crossing.
Potential customer of
Yes.
yours, maybe.
Oh my god. Have you give them some fun?
Mad. I think it's much powerful than Huracan.
yeah.
Shelling out some 5 crores for a used one is like stupidity, I feel now.
Correct.
Thank God I didn't.
Fastest Lamborghini you can buy now.
And it's worth every penny, I feel.
It is.
Even the interior is very sophisticated, unlike the other cars. Fit and finish also, sir.
Yes. Space sir.
It's very spacious. Worth every penny, bloody. What I'm shocked about is the suspension at this speeds. It's as comfortable as a SUV.
Yeah.
That cushion hit is surprising how these people have done it. I mean, like example, the Range Rover or the BMW X7, they are known for their cushiony ride, right?
Correct.
It is as comfortable as that. Nobody will believe that this is a sports car and it's doing this crazy stuff.
The Huracan customers also, they say S-Class suspension.
That's
what?
what.
Is this?
It's mad.
This is more practical, so you get the power, you
Exactly.
get the comfort. Anything you ask.
Has got everything. What is Corsa, sir?
Corsa is more aggressive, sir. You can
Oh,
be more
aggressive than this?
than this, yes. You should try. And then you can also switch here. You got a performance.
Okay.
So this will give you the EV boost. So now it will be even more aggressive. You can paddle down.
Okay, we have to.
You can down
I
here.
thought it will.
This will be in manual.
I didn't expect it to be this good.
You can lift it.
I lifted. Layer ఇందాక
లిఫ్ట్ అవ్వలేదు సార్ యా మీరు అక్కడ ఐకాన్ వచ్చేస్తుంది
ఇప్పుడు కూడా కాలేదా?
కానీ
Oh, beautiful. Okay. So the practicality of a Mercedes Benz, suspension of a Mercedes Benz,
and the performance of a
Lamborghini. It's got everything.
It's very practical sir అంటే మనకి మీరు డైలీ యూజ్ చేసినా you don't want this power behind you always.
Yeah.
Then you have this switchable thing between the EV and the engine. Comfortable గా కూడా వెళ్తారు.
True.
When you want power, you will have it.
Exactly. It's the best of both worlds.
Yes, absolutely.
We'll take into the city little bit.
Yeah, sure.
And just see the suspension.
Oh, he's come for us. For దిగి తిరిగి వెళ్తారు right?
Ah. Abba. Even on these
That
roads,
bump, yeah.
they have created something magical here. Nobody, and I've seen many videos, nobody was talking about the suspension because that is the elephant in the house. Because these cars, they'll break your back
Correct.
if you're using them every day. But this, it's very different from all other sports cars.
Absolutely, sir.
Even my Porsche is not this comfortable, sir. You can't call it a sports car, but
They will be very late by the time people realize what a Temerario is.
no, it won't be.
Until someone buys.
The true
And,
buyer, whenever he gets into the
yeah.
car, he'll understand within seconds what this car is able to do. I mean, like, it's truly brilliant.
It is amazing.
How's the sound system in this, sir?
It is good, sir.
What are the options you get?
Sonos and Faber is the best of the line that we have in this.
Sonos you have in this?
Yeah.
Oh, next, and the standard is?
Standard is a Lamborghini. There are only two options. It's lowering now. Yeah, you can press now. It was on height, yeah.
Okay. So, when you drive slow, it will remain
Yeah, it will remain in the same height.
beautiful.
Okay. That's just great.
So, did you experience it before as well?
No, this is the first time I'm actually seeing that it is touched.
Why is that, sir?
I don't know because even before నేను ఫస్ట్ టైం తెచ్చినప్పుడు కూడా హైదరాబాద్లో తిరిగినప్పుడు ఎక్కడ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సో మేబీ లిటిల్ మోర్ క్రాస్ ఇంజెక్షన్
Once we'll stop there, sir.
యా
I want to have a look from outside again.
చాలు
So, okay, these are again here. Beautiful quality everywhere. So, this is all extra addition or standard?
No, this is standard, just the color theme
Okay.
interior.
Ingress and outrest is also very comfortable. This bag specially